Hey there! So, if you're dreaming about working in Europe but think your options are limited, let me introduce you to a hidden gem. Slovakia. Yep, Slovakia. It's not just castles and beautiful mountains. In 2026, Slovakia's work visa is a total game changer, especially for factory and automotive jobs. Now, you might be wondering, why Slovakia? Well, it's one of the easiest EU countries to get a work visa right now. The rejection rate is low, the process is clear, and, let's be honest, the competition isn't as wild as in Germany or France. So if you're from Bangladesh, India, Pakistan, Nepal, or Sri Lanka, and worried about visa rejection, this one's for you. Let's talk jobs. The top gigs in 2026? Factory workers, automotive production, warehouse helpers, packing and assembly, and machine operators. These jobs are booming in cities like Bratislava, Trnava, Nitra, Žilina, and Košice. And the coolest part? Most factories follow EU standards, so you get safe conditions and proper contracts. But what about the pay? You're looking at an average salary from $900 to $1,300 a month. Not bad, right? Full-time hours, usually 8 to 10 hours a day. And yes, you get a legit work contract, which is super important for your visa. Now, you're probably eager to apply. Here's the safe route. Forget agents promising you guaranteed visas. That's a red flag. Always use verified portals. The official Slovak government job portal is Upsviard.sk. Just use your browser to translate everything into English. You can also check out EURES, the official EU job site, and Profesia.sk, which is Slovakia's top job board. Here's a massive warning. Never submit fake documents or pay anyone promising shortcuts. The embassy checks every detail. One fake paper. You're risking a ban from the EU for years. So, always apply through legit channels. Links are in the video description. Just scroll down and you'll find them. And hey, if you found this info helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Visa Experts AIM. Got questions or want to share your job hunt story? Drop a comment below. I actually reply. Remember, Slovakia's work visa in 2026 is easier, safer, and full of real opportunities if you know where to look. Good luck, and see you in Slovakia.